Chapter 5. A Strange Room. Sherlock Holmes and Dr Watson visit Helen's home to investigate her sister's death.
So, on the left is your stepfather's room, Julia's is in the middle, and yours is on the right.
Yes, but I'm using Julia's room now.
I can't see any real repairs.
Yes, I'm sure it's just an excuse to make me use Julia's room.
Let's go and see the room. That rope.
It's a bell rope for calling servants. Julia didn't use it.
It's quite new, though.
Yes, my stepfather made some changes to this room not long before Julia died.
It isn't real. There isn't a bell, just a hook next to the ventilator. And the ventilator goes through to his room, not to the fresh air outside. Was the ventilator another change your stepfather made?
Yes, it was.
Look, the bed's fastened to the floor.
A bed that can't be moved, a ventilator that doesn't ventilate, and a bell that doesn't ring? What does it all mean?